Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to lead the song Our God by Chris Tomlin with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before we get into things, I'm going to be using some advanced guitar chords in this arrangement. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know. But if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, make sure to check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can use to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Water you turned into wine. You open the eyes of the blind. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Into the darkness you shine. Out of the ashes we rise. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. Into the darkness you shine. Out of the ashes we rise. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you're higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you're higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? What can stand against us? So what can stand against? What can stand against us? God is stronger. God, you're higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? What can stand against? Oh, what can stand against? What can stand against us? Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Our God by Chris Tomlin with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords you learned in this tutorial and you want to learn even more, make sure to check out the free PDF in the description below called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. In it, I'll teach you 25 more advanced guitar chords that you can use to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.